Oh, it's starting right now. Of course it is. Hey everybody, Preppers One here. Today is Saturday. A lot of those videos that you are seeing coming up here, this video you'll probably see on Tuesday at 7, was a repeat. So I got to show you this way too. All day long, there's been rain in the forecast. So today was laundry day, so I went and did laundry because I said, okay, it's going to rain all day. And then it didn't. So I was like, all right, well, let me get going on the grass. Now, I do have some push work to do here, but I got the complete lower meadow cut today. I did here. I went into the upper meadow. I did the side over here. I did the other side with the fruit trees. And then around the graveyard, all that is done. So tomorrow I probably have a half an hour of grass cutting left to do, as far other than doing some push work here. This all grew up again. I did some push work through here already, but it all grew up again. So I literally, this part that I had gone over already, I had to hit that area again. But we got a storm rolling in here right now. But it was a real productive day, honestly. I really was like, okay, let me see how much grass I can get cut today, because I knew that I had, I got tomorrow, I can get grass cut tomorrow. But I kept going, well, the more grass I get cut today, the less that I got to do tomorrow. And so, and again, the forecast had called for rain pretty much all day. And we had a lot of the clouds and stuff. We had one storm, it rolled through that way, and it never hit. So we had the sun in and out, but a lot of dark clouds today. But I just was like, I need to get this grass cut. I got around the plum trees with the push mower as well. I did that. Just trying to get everything as squared away as I possibly can. So here was an anomaly today, and I will talk about this Sunday in the live stream. So when you see this video, it'll be long after Sunday. But here's an anomaly that happened today. I had 6 eggs today, and I really wish today had been an egg count day, because I ended up with 6 eggs, but 2 of the eggs were white eggs. Now, she did lay yesterday, so it's like the fact that that chicken laid twice today, I've never seen that happen. But I still ended up with 6 eggs today, and she laid twice. So no one would have guessed that. I guarantee you nobody would have guessed that. So that was pretty interesting. But yeah, I felt really good about what I got accomplished. I needed to get laundry done. I was like way overdue to do laundry. And because again, the forecast had initially said that it was going to rain all day long, I told Steve, I said, we're probably going to leave in the morning and go do laundry. And so he's like, okay, whenever, just let me know. So we jetted out of here pretty early this morning, got to the laundromat, got our laundry done. And then I got back here and I was like, all right, man. I said, well, I'm going to see how much grass I can cut. Because again, it looked like rain all day long. Like any minute it was going to rain. A couple times I had a couple sprinkles. So I get the whole lower meadow finished, and I was like, all right, cool, lower meadow's done. Well, let me take a break for a minute. Went in, had a bottle of water, relaxed for a minute, and then I said, all right, well, let's see how much of the upper meadow I can, because again, it was dark, real heavy dark clouds, looking like we were going to have this huge rain coming in. And like I said, I got all that done. I got the other side up here done, down by the shipping container, all through that area done around the pear trees, and then over all around the graveyard I did all that area. And so I have maybe half an hour, maybe 40 minutes of grass cutting left. So like I said, again, real super productive, real happy about all of that. So by the time you see this video, again, it will be, I believe, Tuesday at 7. This area here, Jimmy had raked a bunch of stuff out in preparation. Monday, we have gravel coming in. So there's gravel coming in here. for his area, and he may get 2 loads. I don't know exactly what he plans on getting yet, but he said he may end up with 2 loads. Plus we have a load coming in for Sandy in the upper meadow, and Cheryl down over here in the lower meadow. They're going to split a load, and so we're going to be getting that gravel in as well. And hopefully everything is dry enough by Monday, because there's no rain in the forecast for tomorrow, and there's no rain in the forecast for Monday. So hopefully we'll be able to get them in here with no problem. I will tell you this, when I was cutting the grass in the upper meadow, down at the lower part, down by the road, when I was doing this side over here, it was really, really wet through that area. There was some areas in here when I was cutting the grass that was really wet also. It was a trip. We had a lot of rain last night, so coming into this morning, you know, we had fog this morning, and so now we just, that sprinkle of rain came and now it's already stopped. But I really think we got something else coming in here. They said that we're going to get more rain coming in. But real pleased with everything. Hopefully by now you've seen all the videos from the culvert. And I do apologize. There was, I guess, 2 videos ended up getting repeated, which was not meant to be, so I probably deleted other videos that you will now never see. But I had did a bunch of videos with everything overall, and so I was just trying to get all that. It was taking a while for that content to get up, so I was trying to, like, you know, bang stuff out and still trying to get more content for you guys while the excavator guy was here. So there was definitely issues with that, so I do apologize for the repeat videos that you saw on Saturday, which is today, because I just saw somebody's like, hey, that's the same video that went up 4 hours ago. I'm like, son of a so not real super happy, but I'm, you know, like I said again, when I was doing that, it had been very long days, and I was trying to get content up for you guys and getting it ahead. And obviously I definitely screwed up, not once but twice. So but yeah, the chickens are good. They're doing well. I went today to go get straw after we had done laundry, and the place closed at like 11:30. So I missed out on that, and so I think what I'm going to try to do is on Monday, I'm going to try to get over and get straw, more straw for the chickens, and then more straw for Hella's run over here as well. Tomorrow, after cutting grass, a couple other things I want to do, and I'll try to get some video made for you guys so you see some stuff coming up. I need to get one of the bee boxes here painted, and I'll show you. I'll come in here real quick, and I'll kind of, hopefully we got light enough that you guys can see. Let's see. All right. Boxes are back in here, but we have bee boxes that came in. I need to get them painted, and I want to get, like, this is the 3rd box that I had from last year, but I have, let's see, I don't know how well you guys are going to be able to see in here, probably not so well, but back here in the corner, there's the newer bee boxes that Bud had made, and I want to get one of those painted early tomorrow, because what I want to do is I want to go up, I want to get, I want to check for queen cells again, because it's more than enough time. Actually, we're past 10 days, but I want to check for queen cells again, and then I want to, the one hive is ready for the addition, the other hive is not ready for the addition. So I want to get the hive that's ready for the addition, get some of the units in there, and I'll show you that all on video. They're doing really, really well, and so I want to do that. I may move some gravel tomorrow as well. Dave fixed the tire for the other one, so that should be good to go now. And so I would like to move some of this gravel into the road where we have potholes. So that's another project that can be done. But I had it, like I said, again, oh, so the other thing that's got to be done, and and it may happen on Monday. These trees here, they got to come down. So I'm not sure if we're going to do that Monday or not, but because we got to get the gravel in here first. The gravel's got to get in here first before we take these trees down. These trees are dead, okay? So we're going to take them down, zip them up. They're going to be firewood. And so the other thing I was going to show you, I don't know if I showed you previously, so let me see where we're at here. Okay, real quick, we'll walk over here. And when he was moving the dirt from, or you know, when he did the digging and cleaning everything out, he extended a lot of it this way here, as you can see. He cleaned up these trees. There was a lot of overhanging stuff. He took care of that, gave us more room this way. And so when I do build my addition, which probably is going to go here in this area, I can go right to this edge here and not go past that and still have room behind, because that here was the edge before. Okay, so we'll see how it all goes. We'll see how it plays out. But anyway, I am going to jump off here for now. I hope you appreciate this update, guys. I hope you're enjoying the content. Like I said, it was a great weekend, a lot accomplished, really happy about everything. Now I'm trying to catch up with other things. And so today, again, I ended up being much more productive than I had ever anticipated, because the weather held up and I was able to get out here and get this squared away. It was overdue, absolutely overdue. So anyway, be safe. I will talk to you all later. Remember, folks, we truly are all in this together. One race called the human race. As soon as we figure that out, we're going to be in better shape. Also, remember to hug and kiss the ones that you love. Tell them every single day, tomorrow is not guaranteed. We never know what's going to happen in life. So it's really important that we tell the people that we care about every day how we feel. Last but not least, STD, step, thing, and day. One step at a time, one thing at a time, and one day at a time. Whatever you're trying to accomplish, whatever you're trying to do, you can do it. The only one stopping you from achieving your goals is going to be you. That's it, nobody else. Stay positive, stay away from the negativity, and you're going to be just fine. I will talk to you all later. Have a great night. Prepper Nurse 1, out for now.